Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Square dashboard login issues. Account access helps step by step clearly. First, check that your internet connection is stable by opening a few other websites. Next, confirm you are using the correct Square dashboard login page for your country and business. Then, type your email address carefully and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. After that, re-enter your password slowly and check that caps lock is turned off. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset link sent to your email. Open the reset email and make sure it is from Square. Then click the link only if it looks legitimate. Create a new password that is strong, unique, and not used on any other site. If the reset email does not arrive, check your spam, junk, promotions, and updates folders. Also search your inbox for Square and check if any filters or rules move the email automatically. If you still cannot receive emails, verify you have access to that email account and it is not full. Try logging in using a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Then restart the browser and try again. Open an incognito or private window and attempt to sign in there. Disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers or script blockers, and retest the login. Update your browser to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues with Square. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off and try signing in again. If you are on a work or public network, switch to a personal hotspot to rule out network restrictions. Check the date and time on your device and set it to automatic, because incorrect time can break secure login. If you see an error about two-step verification, confirm you are using the newest code from your Authenticator app. If you are receiving SMS codes, ensure your phone has signal and can receive messages from short codes. If you lost access to your two-step method, start Square's account recovery process from the login help options. If you think your account may be locked, wait a short time and try again, because repeated attempts can trigger a lock. Check Square's status page to see if there is an ongoing outage affecting dashboard login. If you manage multiple Square accounts, confirm you are signing into the correct email for the right business. If you use SSO or a company login, verify your identity provider account is active and the password is correct. On mobile, update the Square app, force close it, then reopen and try signing in again. If nothing works, contact Square support and provide the exact error message, your email, and the time the issue started. Keep screenshots of the error and note what you already tried, so support can resolve it faster. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.